Introducing the Tohnichi 100 Newton meters torque wrench tester, manual loader from Flexible Assembly Systems. Are you looking for a reliable and accurate tool to ensure the precision of your torque wrenches? Look no further. The Tohnichi torque wrench tester is the ultimate solution for quality control professionals and technicians across various industries. With its wide torque range of 10 to 100 Nm, this tester can accommodate a variety of torque wrenches used in different applications. The manual loading mechanism allows for precise and controlled application of torque, ensuring accurate and consistent testing results. The tester features a clear and easy-to-read digital display, providing real-time torque readings for convenient monitoring and analysis. The peak hold function captures and displays the maximum torque value, enabling users to easily identify and record peak torque measurements. Each Tohnichi torque wrench tester is meticulously calibrated and comes with a traceable calibration certificate, ensuring compliance with industry standards and regulations. Don't compromise on accuracy and reliability. Invest in the Tohnichi 100 Nm torque wrench tester today. Visit flexibleassembly.com to learn more and place your order now.